Programming Java with IntelliJ. You may refer to your book, pages 10 to 25, Java Programming by Example textbook. Here are our objectives. First, programming Java with IntelliJ. Second, introducing Java programming with IntelliJ. Third, commenting with IntelliJ. Fourth, the main method. And 5, executing your program with IntelliJ. Here is the IntelliJ Integrated Development Environment, or the IDE. The first part is the menu bar. Menu bar provides options to create new project and other important actions related to projects like code refactoring, builds, run, debug, version controlling options, and so on. Next part is a toolbar. A toolbar provides the shortcut to compile, debug, and run option. You can customize it according to your requirements. Next, we have a navigation bar. Enables easier navigation within project. This feature comes really handy as code base increases. Next, we have the Tools tab. A Tools tab shown either side of the main window. This part and this part. So left and right side of the window. Next, we have the project perspective. It shows various elements of projects like packages, modules, classes, external libraries, and so on. The last one, we have the editor window. This one, the editor window, allows you to edit, write code with syntax, highlighting, and other useful features. So this part is the editor window wherein the editor will manipulate the program. Here are the two methods on how you print text in Java. First, system.out.print, enclosed with open and close parentheses. The next one is system.out.println, LN, and open close parentheses. Don't forget to write the semicolon at the end of the line, meaning it's end of the statement or end of the line. And then the opening and the closing brace or bracket used to indicate the start and end of the scope of the class. Here are the syntax that we're going to use, the common syntax that we're going to use in Java programming. The first one here, I had mentioned a while ago, system.out.println, and then inside the open and close parenthesis is a string. String or the message that you would like to display upon running the program. Here is the print line and the print. And then the first message that you're going to display here is welcome to Java. And then the second message that you would like to display is hello. So the moment you run the program, welcome to Java should be displayed, and the second one, hello. We have here the multi-line comment. This is the opening and the closing, and then your comment you write inside the opening and the closing symbol. If you want to write a single line comment, just write the two slashes. Then if you want to write the multiple line comment, here is the command. and then inside you write the comments. Take note, comments are lines of code that are read by the Java compiler but are ignored as commands. So meaning, comment just serve as your reminder, but it is ignored as a command. Another syntax here that we're going to use is the \n, meaning space between the line. And take note, every \n is a single space. Then we have also the \t, space within a line. Take note also that every \t is a single tab. Again, \n represents a single space. \t represents a single tab command. And now, here is the example of a public class code. The name of the class here is exercise 1. And then after writing public class, exercise 1, don't forget to write the opening and the closing brace. Opening signifies the start of the public class code. And then the closing signifies the end of the statement or the end of the public class. And then after the opening brace, write the public static void main. So this is the name of the method. Take note that the main here can be changed according to your preference. Then after writing public static void, you have to write the opening and the closing brace again. That inside is your method on how to print text in Java. So the method that being used here is system.out.println, so ln. Then inside the string is the hello world. Don't forget the double quote and also the semicolon at the end of the line. So if you don't write this, your program will not going to work, because this is required, the semicolon. Next, we have also another public class code exercise 1, but different method being used on how to print the text in Java. We have here the system.out.print, but if you're going to run the program, it will give the same result, but different method. Here are the requirements. First, you should install the Java JDK and IntelliJ in your computer. So install first the JDK, the Java Development Kit, then after that, IntelliJ. Please refer to your book on page 10. Then after that, create a folder in your documents and name it as Java Programming so that your files will be organized. These are the steps how to create a new Java project using the IntelliJ. First one, launch IntelliJ IDE. So this one, you double click the IntelliJ IDE in your desktop. Then in the new project wizard, select the Java, this one, from the list on the left, and select your project JDK, then just click next. That's it. First one, Java project JDK, and then click next. Next step, if there is no project JDK in the window, just click the arrow down button and then look for the add JDK, just in case that there is no project JDK here. Next step, number 4, we're not going to use any additional libraries or frameworks. So click next. So there is no libraries here. Just click next now. Then next, check the program location. Make sure the created folder is selected. Then click finish. So this is the name of the exercise and then your location. Then just click next. Next, start writing your code, then run the program. So this is the editor window. Take note of the syntax here: opening, closing, then the name of the class, and then the name of the method, and then your message. Then the moment you write your program, of course you have to run it, and the output will be displayed here. Then watch the video tutorial in Genio on how to create a program in Java using IntelliJ. Here, just check your Genio account for the tutorial and learning activities.